Am I the only one that didn't know how Metronidazole works? Well, let's fix that. Metronidazole is an antibiotic used to treat a variety of infections. Got a bacterial infection? This might be your go-to medicine. Using it is simple. Take it as directed by your doctor, usually once or twice a day. Make sure to complete the full course, even if you start feeling better. Skipping doses can lead to antibiotic resistance. Now, side effects. Most people tolerate it well, but some might experience nausea, a metallic taste, or mild stomach upset. If you notice anything severe, like a rash or difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. Remember, Metronidazole doesn't work for viral infections like colds or flu. Only use it for what your doctor prescribes. In a nutshell, Metronidazole is a trusty tool in the fight against infections. Use it wisely and always follow your doctor's advice. Stay healthy, folks.